Today I'm out in the garage working on the 06 LJ. I need to replace the front rear track bar and all the front steering components. It's starting to get a death wobble. Right now I'm just keeping this vehicle stock. Eventually I'll be putting 1-tons in it and putting it on probably 40-inch tires, making it the primary off-roader, but for now we just need it as a daily vehicle. I'm going to jack it up, I'm going to start working on the rear. Not the easiest to get at, but I'll take you under here and show you what I'm looking at. The axle side, it's got a captured nut on the back side. On this side, on the frame side, that one's much easier to get to with a couple wrenches. I'll get this out, we can put the new one back in. Ended up having a little problem with the bolts binding up. So I simply just put a ratchet strap to the frame and to the axle on the other side to hold it in place, that I'm able to pop the bolts out and get the track bar out. Now I'm going to slide the new one in, bolt it up, then I can release the ratchet strap, and that's all there is to it to the rear. With any suspension repair like this, you don't want to tighten the bolts down completely until you get it on the weight of the vehicle on the ground. So I just dropped it down, tightened everything up. Now I'll slide it back in my garage so I can get at the front. And now I have everything loose. Now I just need to knock everything out so I can get the tie rod out. Easiest way to do that is just tap the end of it with a hammer. There you go, pops right out. So I'm going to do that, take everything out, get ready to put everything back in, put all the new stuff in. All right, I already took everything apart, got my ratchet strap in place holding the track bar. All I got to do is finish popping this out. Throw the new one in here real quick. Got my flag nut to go behind. Gotta get that lined up. That one started. Now I just need to find the castle nut for the other side. Forgot to grab it out of the box. Maybe I should start putting that side in first. Go. Looks like I need to let go of this. There we are. 15. Get that started before I do the final torque. I'll put it down on its own weight. It's already better than what it was because that didn't have a cotter pin in it anyways. My grease fitting put in. I was going to try and save a buck by not getting a new steering stabilizer, but I think this one is a little shot. So I'll have to get that on order, put that on at a later date. Right now I'm going to start putting everything back together. I mocked everything up, got it close, and now I can install it and then get everything back on the ground. So that's installed. Bend it around. There we go. Now with all that done, I just need to align the front end, line up the steering wheel, finish tightening down the adjustment nuts, and then I can put the tires back on, put some weight on it, and tighten up the track bar. I'm gonna get on that now. Okay, I adjusted the toe with my TMR alignment tools. Pretty slick setup. Ended up at just under an 1/8 inch toe in. I'm gonna run it. Now from here, I'll put the tires back on, put it down, I'll tighten up the track bar, tighten up the adjustment collars, and then take it for a test drive. All right, got that all wrapped up. It's getting late. I'm gonna call it a night. I'll order a steering stabilizer and I'll take it for a test drive tomorrow. Had to wait a couple days for the steering stabilizer to show up. I threw that in, took it for a test drive. Everything runs great. Just need to line up the steering wheel a little bit more, and this one's done. Thanks for watching.